Now we will understand the meaning of outsourcing. Outsourcing is yet another trend that is entirely reshaping business. Outsourcing is the business practice of hiring a party outside a company to perform services or manufacture goods that were traditionally performed in house by the company's own employees and staff. It refers to a long term contracting out, generally the non core, and of late, even some of the core activities to a third party or specialized service provider. Outsourcing helps the company to benefit from the experience, expertise, efficiency, and even investment of third party or specialized service providers. Outsourcing helps the company to concentrate on its core business operations while entrusting non core tasks to a contractor. Outsourcing in business is when you hire a consultant, an agency, or an external service provider to handle some tasks of your business or work on specific projects. Now we will try to understand the concept of outsourcing with the help of some examples. A company may outsource the task of customer service, that is call center, to a specialized company. Next, a company may decide to outsource the payroll processing and claims processing. Next, many fashion companies in United States find it expensive to manufacture clothes there. Therefore, they frequently opt for production in Asia. After production, the clothes are shipped to the United States. Next, many four-wheeler companies outsource the manufacturing of door locks, lights, and many other auto parts which are used in four-wheelers. Next, Apple is a major multinational technology company in America. It outsources the manufacturing of its iPhone, iPad, and iPod to Foxconn Technology Group in Taiwan. Now we will understand the salient features of outsourcing. First, outsourcing involves contracting out. Simply, outsourcing means to source from outside what you have previously been doing in house. For example, most companies have so far appointed their own staff for sanitation and housekeeping functions. But now many companies have started outsourcing these activities. That is, they have engaged outside agencies to perform these activities for their organizations on a contractual basis. Next, generally non core business activities are outsourced. Sanitation and housekeeping functions are non core for most organizations and so are outsourced. Housekeeping is a core activity for a hotel, so performed in house. The purpose of a school is to develop a child by means of curricular and co curricular activities. Clearly, these activities comprise the core activities. Running a canteen or a bookstore is a non core activity for a school. As the organizations move to experiment with outsourcing, they may initially outsource only the non core activities, but later on, they may start getting even the core activities performed by the outsiders. For example, a school may tie up with some computer training institute to impart computer education to its students. Third, business processes may be outsourced to a captive unit or a third party. A big company or a multinational company having many plants may create a separate unit to perform certain common activities or functions. The functions such as recruitment, selection, training, customer care support services, etc., may be transferred to a captive unit created for this purpose, or else these activities may be outsourced to third party service providers. Outsourcing is fast becoming an emerging mode of business. Firms have started increasingly outsourcing one or more of their processes, which can be more efficiently and effectively carried out by others. Here we have used a word captive unit. Let us understand the meaning of the same. A captive unit is a business unit of a company functioning offshore as an entity of its own while retaining the work and close operational tie ups with the parent company. Captive unit is one way of establishing presence in cheap labor markets such as India and China rather than outsourcing work to third party companies established offshore. We may also inform you that we have already uploaded a number of courses like cybersecurity, past tense, future tense, and present tense, email writing, debate writing, most common mistakes in English grammar, letter writing, web applications, DBMS, business studies, and crop production and management, and much more. You can look out for the same on YouTube, Google, our own website, on Udemy, Tutorials Point, and many other sites. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.